Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm bringing you the Winter GFX pack, also known as a Christmas GFX pack, but there's stuff for just winter in general. So this one, I'm going to state right now, I did not make any of these clip arts or anything. This pack basically gives you easy access to some of these really cool clip arts, but because I did not make them, I cannot give you permission to use them for commercial purposes. So here's my disclaimer: personal use only. I did not make any of these. It's just a way to have access to some cool winter PNGs. Okay, so in order to download this project, what you want to do is go down in the description below and download the PSD. And the PSD is going to be on mediafire.com. I know a lot of you guys are skeptical of this, and I was once as well, until I realized that it's not even sketchy unless you click on the ads. The ads is what makes this sketchy. This is just a file sharing website that is pretty big. So as long as you just click download and don't click any links, you'll be fine. So just close everything out once you hit download, and here it is at the bottom left, downloading. So it's really safe as long as you don't click anything else. So now that it's downloaded, what you can do now is go into either Photopea or Photoshop and go to File and Open. So I'm going to show you on Photopea, and I'm going to go up to File, Open, and I'm going to click on the Christmas GFX pack. And this process works the same on Photoshop. So here we are in Photopea with the graphics pack. As you can see here, if you hide this layer, you can hit these eyeballs and it'll start to show these layers. So you click the folder to show it, and then you click the individual ones. So you can see here, there's Christmas trees, there is Santa hats, there are decorations, Christmas lights. And remember, you cannot sell these because you don't have the rights to them. I don't either. So as long as you don't sell them, you'll be fine. You can use them for personal use. So here's snowflakes. There's a bunch of different effects for your winter designs. And I did make these light spots. They're pretty easy to make, but I think they look pretty cool. So feel free to use these and everything else. Here's the disclaimer as well if you want to pause it and read it. And that's basically all there is to the pack. There's also color corrections that make it look better, so you can see before and after. Makes it look a lot better. But that's all there is to this pack. Now I'm going to do a preview of all the effects if you want to stick around and watch, or you can download the pack and go ahead and start designing. So it's up to you guys. I hope you do enjoy this pack. It's just a way for you guys to have some easy access to some cool winter/Christmas things. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.